In this video, I will show you how to create Trust Wallet account. So first of all, open your Trust Wallet app or access Trust Wallet on your browser and then click on Create New Wallet or Add an Existing Wallet. So if you do not have a wallet yet and you want to create your first wallet/account, then go ahead and click on Create New Wallet in the middle. In this section, you need to enter a passcode and please be sure that you remember it so that you can unlock your wallet at all time. So I will enter my passcode and then we will continue. So after you have entered your passcode, you can click on Create Secret Phrase and you can create a Swift. So you can do both. So let's say you want to create a secret phrase and you're going to click on Create. And from here you can back it up manually or back it up to iCloud. And I would recommend you to back up your secret phrase because if you do not back this up and you delete your wallet by accident or you are unable to log into your wallet for some reason, then you need your secret phrase to get back into your wallet again. So please be sure that you back this up in order to avoid problems in the future. So I'm going to click on Backup Manually. Right now, select the 3 checkboxes in order to continue. So you need to be sure that you have your wallet phrase copied to your clipboard and stored somewhere safe, or just write it down on a paper or something like that. By any means, it needs to be safe, so that is the most important thing. And after you continued, you will get into your wallet account. And the first message you will see is probably that you can claim free points. So go ahead and click on Claim Points, and that is always welcome, of course. And after that, you have successfully created your Trust Wallet account. You can now go ahead and send and receive crypto and buy, sell, and stuff like that. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.